everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Danielle Wheeler, and welcome to Going Towards Success. So today's topic is about crushes. Who you crushing on? And I just think crushes are so cute. Why? Because they're so innocent. Like, it's basically what you find interesting about a person, whether it's them being good at math, or you like the way that they treat you or treat others. It's just literally like so cute. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. So I want to share my story about, someone I was crushing on when I was younger, in like 7th or 8th grade. And he was much older. Like, he was in high school. He was a neighborhood kid. But he was just always so nice to me. Like, he just used to tell me, how pretty I am and how nice I look. And I went to Catholic and charter school, so I always had on a uniform. So that can get boring after a while. So I was happy to spice it up a little bit, like to differentiate myself from the other girls. So it was cute. It was cute and it was innocent. So, of course, I know with some of you out there who could be embarrassed because you have a crush on somebody. It's normal. You could maybe stutter. That's me. I still stutter to this day. Like, I think it's so cute. And if they don't, I do. Like, it's cute. And some of you might run away and hide. Like, that's normal too. It's okay. But, like, you don't have to hide. Like, you really don't. It's normal to have crushes on people. The only thing I would say is make sure that you're dealing with these crushes in what? In a healthy manner. Like, be safe. But I hope I helped you out there. As I'm gonna say it again, over and over again, crushes are cute. I love crushes. They're so innocent and cute. But okay, I'm gonna stop playing. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.